Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surface for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as US 30, Bitcoin and gold, silver, crude and just minor pairs of AJ, that means AUD JPY, CAD JPY and New Zealand CAD just we added in our watch list. So before we get into this week analyzing the pairs, so this is my disclaimer. Read carefully, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here, and I'm not asking any investments. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. So these are the watch list. DXY, we will start from DXY. Next, EU, GU, AU, NU, UCAD, UJ, UCHF, AJ, CJ, New Zealand CAD, US 30, gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin. So first we will move on to the DXY. Yeah, this is DXY, my short-term analysis. So as I said, we are in that expanding triangle and the E wave got ended at the low here. So after that I'm looking only for the C wave. So C wave, one second, I will show you the daily chart. So this is the end of A and B is an expanded triangle. A, B, C, D and E is got ended, and after that I am expecting that C wave to break this high and this high 103.82. so I am just working for that only, so there is no change in my plan. So here what I expected from here itself, in past I took it this as an A, so the whole thing becomes a B, and I expected from here it has to shoot, but what happened, and it bounced and again it break the low. So from here itself what I thought is, yesterday I have posted and I shared my view, there is a chances for making like this kind of what I explained here. It's a B, C is a W, and A, this is a B of irregular flat, and C can come to end of the X wave, and then A, B, C, and this is the next support level of 92.7, but because it's already broken, so the next is this zone is my next support zone, and that is the major 2. This is the last and final support, and it could be like double bottom also, that is also valid, but as per my analysis it won't go, I think so, but in forex market it can do, and it will always against us only, mind that. After that, and again if it hit the, if you place the stop loss, if it hit the stop loss, and then again it may come to your zone and it come to your way. And lot of people thinking like, if we what we have analyzed and if we enter in that buy or sell, immediately market has to come to our way. But this is a financial market, so it won't come like that. Most of the time 90% it won't come, only the 10%, if your analysis is a pin to pin, then only it will be like that. See, from here itself I have keep on changing my views according to the price action. So whenever you sell here, immediately it won't come to the downside, it may shoot like this. What we does, if we play a short at here, immediately it won't come, it will come, and then again it will, if you place the stop loss here, it will hit the stop loss and come to your zone. So like that, immediately market won't react to your analysis. It's not only for you or not only for me, that market structure is designed like that. These are all psychologies. The chart represents the people's psychology and people's mind, everything it is there. It's not only you. So whenever you bought, it won't immediately to the buy side. It will give some exertion to that against your trade, and then only it will come to your zone. So here it's a, I thought this could be a A and this could be a B, and the C can go like this, but it didn't happen. So now what I'm thinking here is it's a B C A B C, here is a B, and C is got ended. So the positionally this is the end of the B in expanded triangle. So C has to be in 5 waves starting, and if it is a first starting means it could be a leading diagonal also, or it could be a diagonal pattern of like this what I have mentioned here. It's ABCA, ABCB and C. So this could be in 1, and here the 2 will the second wave will be most of them it could be a 61.8 or 78.6 also sometimes, and in rare cases it will do in within the 50% of retracement and then it will shoot. So it's all according to that global price action and global economy. It's all depends on that. All it contains, chart contains all newses, fundamental newses, sentimental, so everything it contains, and technical. So market has to react for the 3 mentality of the people. I'm a technical, somebody follows the fundamental, and somebody will move to the sentimental. So this chart contains of all the 3 patterns, 3 mentality. So try to understand that if you bought at the low also, that is not a low, it may be go down also. For example, the UCAD, and here also what I thought from here it has to bounce, but it failed. So my price action changed, it may come to retest this zone, and I have already shared, but that is also got invalid. Now what I'm looking here is this could be end of the W here, and this could be the end of X, and now A, B and C maybe around this Monday. I think Monday is on Labor Day, Columbus Day, so the market, US market is holiday, but even though a Forex market will work for that, so in that time it may retest this zone also maybe, or from here it can shoot, or it can be little bit deeper and then can shoot, but my overall bias is it is in bullish. So this is the A, B and C as 1. So now we are in the second wave. After that it finished means it will be gradually graining like this kind of price action. It may be like this kind of price action can come. So this is an ending diagonal pattern. So this could happen here also for the C wave. It's keep graining without any deeper pullback also. It will keep overlapping like that also, because if it is an diagonal pattern or ending diagonal pattern or ending diagonal triangle or whatever it is. So next we will move on to Euro USD. See, I have already posted the last week and exactly it doing the same. So A, B, C is a A, and what I thought is from here it has a chances this, because this is a looking like a 5-wave structure, and it may be in the 3-wave structure, it can be come down like that I expected, but it already broken that high also. So for me it could be drop like this again. So as of now what I'm thinking I have to present to you. So what I'm thinking here, it could be an whether this is an A, B, C is a W, X, A and then B can C also. So one more wave to the upside is also possible after that fall. Here is a B or C, or whether this could be an W. So this could be an X also, A, B, C. So see, this is all. Here we can't label because the price action it's going on. It's not yet completed here. If it is completed means only if it is dropped like this, then only we can complete this portion. After the finishing only here, if it get rejected from this zone, once it fall aggressively, then only we can complete this portion. So without here the completion, we can't. We have to keep on changing the labelings. Still now see, this is a ABC ABC B, and C we can make it as a W, X, A. So still we are in the B or C, or this could be a B, C is a zigzag pattern. So A is completed, again B can come to like this, and then again it can go up to here. So lot of possibilities I'm looking for here. So I can't imagine what are the possibilities here it can make, but overall we can predict. So this could be also the same opposite to the DXY. This is the A, B, C. So this is the end of the one. So what I expected the DXY also, it could be whatever it is, and 2 has to come to an end. So mind that these are all only, the trend lines are only for that support. I'm just drawing here. It won't be get rejected here. It's already done. So it may be a exact zone. It may get rejected. It can do like this also from here, and it could make a double top or whatever it is, and then it can fall. But the pattern remains same. So still now we are in the correction part. Not yet it completed. That's 161.8. I have already done here because I am from here I have shorted at 1.1810, that you know, and I did a intraday here, and I didn't done anything here. I just keep on watching this zone to add in my sell, the position in sell. So again what I did is, it's already completed. So whether this is a confusion part for me here. So what I did is, after this breaking of this high, I already entered only that what I had that positions I'm looking to short here. I split my entries in the first entry. Again I did at same zone at 1.1810. I already did here that same zone I added, because this is a downtrend. The daily anchor is at so if it is a trend change as per the Dow theory, so this is the daily anchor. It has to be break and close above that, and then only it will be a trend change. So this is the one of 1.920, and the another one and another one. So these are all the 3 anchor in the daily, so that it has to break, then only it will be a guaranteed for that further upside. But my view is only for that downside. So as per my previous analysis explained here. So next, it's already in the daily time frame. It's already broken this daily anchor. How I said here's the 3 anchor, like that the 3 anchor also for that. As per the Dow theory, the trend change already happened, and now we have to break only this, and then only it will continue to the bull. So right now it is in bearish. So if it comes like this, it breaks and then immediately fall, means that is not the price acceptance here. The trend change is not there. It will took all the stop loss here, and then immediately it will come back to your TP. So this is my analysis for this week. Maybe one more high is also possible. So here I'm not able to count here. If it is there, I will because see, this is all the five-way structure. This is also a five-way structure. So this could be a. So the total is B. So if it is a 1, 2, so we are still in the third way of final wave of C. So again it could be a, or it can go like this, and then again it could be fail for that fourth wave, and it can make the fourth wave, and then fifth wave has to be at 1.880 like that. It can be. So according to that, actually if it is here is the five-way structure, here A, if it is a B, sorry, here, yeah, same zone, it's a 40 and that 1.870. So let's see, I took it this as a, so this as a B, and here is a C. So here I took it as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I took it this as a zigzag pattern, and we are in that, 1 second, just we will see here. It could be an irregular flat of B also. Yeah, exactly, we are in that 1272. So like this kind of five waves can happen for a running flat, or it could be a deeper expanded flat also, and then again it can bounce as per here what I said. It's already broken. If it didn't broken means it has to fail here, and then again it can be like this also. That is why the maximum possibilities I drawn here. So if it is an A, B, C, this is the wave 2 means this is a five-way structure as a 1, and from here means it didn't break it did broke that previous high, means that could be calculated as a second wave, and then third, fourth and fifth. That is why I have drawn here. So now it is get invalid, this pattern. Now it is valid for here, this zone. So A or W, here it could be X, again A, B and C. So up to 1.19 is possible according to my view here. So let's see, if it is anything interested and it is in change, I will keep on updating if I have a time. Next we will move on to GBP USD. So exactly what I said is at 1.3080. So it is now in that zone. It's around 50 it happened. So still may or may not, it will keep on. See, we can't label this what I said previous. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a. So whether this could be an B. So still beyond that C means it will go little bit higher also. So 1.32 also. So according to that fib expansion for that A, so for example B is, it's not ended or it may ended approximately. So 1.31502, 1.32, it's it has to be get rejected in these zones. So just we will place a trend line here, channel. Just clone that, and we will place at that here. Just extend. So within this channel it will keep on moving. So if it is an A is ended, B is ended here means, or still if it is the end of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, ABC1, ABC2, AB3, 4, 5, yes, either here or it could be here also if it is there. Just a second. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be an end of that trend also here for the A. So this is a 1, this is the 2, this could be a 3, and this could be an 4, ABC, okay, ABC, yeah, this could be a 4, and fifth way is entered in the wedge formation like this. So whether this could be a, again, rejection for the B, again it can do like this according to the fib retracement for the irregular flat, what we expected in that Euro USD also. Yeah, exactly, it is also same zone. So again what we can expect here is, sorry, the downtrend for that C wave, and it could be a B, and after that it can shoot. But the main thing and my positional view is only in the downside, mind that. So we have to place like the here, that could be an here. So that is also how I analyzed here of the zone, means here end of the B, yes, perfectly, it's 1.3180 like that, and we are in that perfect resistance zone here. This is how I analyze all the pairs. It will took nearly for the one chart to get ready and to share, means nearly minimum is half an hour and maximum is 1 hour for me. And if I kept this all ready, because I need to keep on watching all those things, and then only I will have to post, and then only you can learn from myself. So next we will move on to Australian dollar. And one thing I have to show you, I have already posted everything. It is coming according to that same thing. I have already did that. See the DXY, it's already I posted that. Here is the Euro USD. On October 8th I have posted. Here, see, this is A, B, C, so this could be a second wave also. I'll just zoom. Okay. It's getting lagging little bit because of that screen recorder. So in past I got, yeah, zoom. It's a little bit lagging. Okay, no issues. See, there is A, B, C. So if it is the 1, if it is the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Otherwise, if it is A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and then C, so that is also at 1.184. We just click this play button. Exactly, it's doing the same. So as of now this got invalid. So what we have to do is what I said in the previous, it has to do like that. Either this could be WX, ABC, one more high is possible to 1.190 also. And for the GBP USD also I have did. Okay, that we will, okay, that we will see later. And Australian dollar, yes, 1 second, I will just check. It's all October 9 and 10. USD JPY, USD CAD, Euro New Zealand, GBP USD. Here is a Euro USD, New Zealand. And so these are all the positional way I have already did. So you just have a look there itself for the positional view. So I have already done that, and here is set New Zealand, Euro. Okay, so I missed that, I think so, in Australian dollar. So here I am looking for that. This is the end of the fifth wave. So this is A, so B and C. So this is all the previous one. So exactly it get a deeper pullback for the B, and now we are on that C. So just now it has to reach that 6-7 zone, and again it has to come down for that here. These are all the mentioned zone. It has to come down. This is the Australian dollar, the same pattern. It's in the New Zealand dollar also. So as of now, from here, it's a little bit lagging. Please, yeah, I think this is not that. I'm using the two platforms to analyze, one for that positional and one for that short term. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the 1 hour only. So as of now, and this is the end of that fifth wave. I have already did that. So after this is an A, B and C is got over. So ABC, I took it as a 1 for the diagonal triangle pattern. So now we are on that second wave. So it's already A is finished. B is also in that three-way structure. Move on to the 15 minutes. Yes, this is A, B, and we are in that C wave. So according to that fib expansion, AB is equal to CD pattern. We need to be in 786. Yeah, it's still there, and I already included the off positions, and then one more position at 7275. I already did here, place the order. So if it get executed, and I will do nothing and just keep on adding like this kind of A, B, C means again it has to be in all three waves only, because I'm expecting as a diagonal triangle. So once the bigger A is got completed and B, after that A, if it breaks that, I will keep adding here. I won't add here. For example, if it finished here, if it is coming to the downside, and again if it reaches this zone, all reader traders will buy, expecting the shorter term for the pullback. Again it may do like this. So this becomes A, this is the B, and one more C has to come to the downside. If it breaks this A, here we have to add. Without any hesitation, we need to add the position and just follow that trend. That's it. That is the confirmation trade. And from here it can do like this also for that irregular flat, and then it can be like this also. But anyway, it has to do like this. Wave has to come for the third wave, what I am expecting here. So this is the end of that. It may end at a second wave, and the third wave is the continuation. So the third wave is also as be a WXY pattern that will be extended. The third wave is around 1618, so that will keep on extended, and it will be do like this only. See, A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, C is a W. So this is the X and another Y. So like this kind of pattern I'm expecting in the third wave. It's keep going on, and ABC and again one more WXY, and for that Y contains Y contains of three-way structures. So let's move on to New Zealand dollar. So that is also same view, both are same as per my previous. Here is the A and view on the B wave. So it may took around 78.6 also, or 61.8. Once it completed this A, B, and then again C wave. So whether it could be A, B, C as a W, or it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it may continue also. So that I will inform later, and I will share my view. So there is no change here. I thought it could be in a 4 here, that is why I have did. So there is a chances, means it may or may not. I can't give the guarantee here because it's not yet broken that anchor, the daily anchor also. It has to be breaks this one and this one. In Euro USD it's did, and in Australian dollar also I think it did. Yes, it's already did the daily anchor. Yes, it's already did, but in New Zealand dollar it didn't break this. It's not yet broken. So only if it breaks this only I will add, otherwise I will just I don't add any big lots here. I did only the small lots here for that averaging, and I already did at 1.6670. Again at the same zone, how I added in that Australian dollar also, I just added in here also, and I said one stream I will show you my, if it come according to my as per my view, I will show you how many lot size. I won't show the lot sizes. I will just add my positions, keep on adding in the cell to build my sell positions. I need to show you. So I'm also eager to do that. It has to come to according to my view. So only keep on doing like little bit intraday trades, and for the positional sell trade setup also I'm doing. So let's see, and we can move to the USD CAD. So USD CAD, what I thought is, it's already broken the daily anchor here, but the pattern remains same. Whether it is going to make a double top, double bottom also, but this looks like A, B, C, and I am already informed that this is the A, B, C is completed. So we are only in the 3 waves, so that we will get a lot of entries also, I said. So I exited my position what I bought at 1.3070, at 1.3330 I exited my position, and again what I did is at 1.3260 I added only off lot, and then again in that remaining off I entered quarter at 1.3225. I have already informed that here, and another 25% of my what I have booked here I entered all partially. So here I have already accumulated my 50%. What I booked here, if it is, for example, if it is a one standard lot size, I booked here, sorry, I again reaccumulated that 50% here, that means 0.5 for example. And one more thing, I added at 1.3225 of 0.25 here, and I said in one of the group it has to reach that 1.130 also. It came. So again I added the another 0.25 lots. So I entered all partially what I booked here. So that 1.0370 I booked at 1.330 here, and what I booked here I have all accumulated in that partial entries, and it given a deeper pullback. it given a deeper pullback. What I thought here is this could be an end of that trend also. That is why I have entered. That is why I have entered at 1.3260. And once it bounced, what I thought, okay, it is fine, it is going as per, but I didn't add anything here itself. Just keep on watching that, because one doubt is it could be like this what I have expected, and it already came according to my view. And again, what I have entered here means it's according to the trend line. So if it is a A, according to the fib expansion level, exactly what I had that mentioned here, it came. So I added in this zone. But even though this price action confirmed me, maybe it can reach that 1.130 also. That is the major support zone here, and it has to took all the stop loss here who placed here for the positional wave traders. Exactly did. I entered here another, so the totally exactly it did the same, and it may come to the deeper down, one more down also. So these are all what I have placed. The trend lines are only for the support levels to identify the, sometimes it will get rejected. See, this is accepted, and again it broke, and again it testing the retest, and then again it broke, and again it retested. So like this kind, sometimes it may get rejected and it will accept that trend line channel also. That is why I have placed. So but not, we don't want to trade according to this trend line. I entered here because I don't entered here at the fully, right? I know because of this price action, see it is in 15 minutes, there is no pullback, right? It's keep graining. So that is why I didn't add all fully lots here. One entered here and one entered, so 50% here, 25% here, and another 25% here. So like that, like this only I will trade, and I had already traded. So now this is maybe is a W and the deeper X, and after that Y way in three-way structure to 1.36 to 1.37 I am expecting. So now it will be in the 4 hours. It should be like this. Now it is in support. Now this is the major support zone. So it will become here. And another three-way structure. And we need to watch this wave where it is get ended, and then again B wave and again C wave. So mind that this Y could be a this kind of wave formation also, the diagonal also. It get a deeper pullback, so it won't be another be a deeper pullback. It may or may not. By my expectation is it go once that get a deeper pullback, lot of buying pressure may be occur, and it could be a like this kind of wave formation, and it will reach to here itself 1.3750 also in the diagonal formation. So let's move on to USD JPY. Same, I already shared my plan. This is the 5-way structure. If it is the end of this A and this all the B, what I expected as a B as a running flat, and C has to come to break this zone, but it already broken that wave in the 3-way structure. After I saw this A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and C has to fall up to 105.25 I am expected, and it is doing now. So I need to add, and I already placed that buying order at 105.25. So in the morning I think it may be a expanded flat also. If it is ABC ABC is a B, and C could be an to break this anchor also in the 4-hour anchor. So that could be an expanded flat. So once it reach here, I'm expecting, I already placed that. So if it get triggered means this could be A, B, and one more C way is possible. Maybe around 106.8. So for this is a A. So the B, it has to end here, or if it breaks this high also, whether this W and this X may be here. That is why that is my previous plan, and one more downside is possible. So if I'm expecting here it has to reach means at the time gold can reach 760. I expected that in the last week itself, that means in the Friday yesterday itself, but it didn't happen. So this week I'm expecting. So whether this is a B, C, A, so this all A and B or C, or this could be a B, C as a W, this is an X, A, B, C. So whatever it is, here is the little bit confusion part, and I explained that. So let's see how it moves. But this is then connecting wave, and one more low as possible to break this 104 again, because A, B, C is a, this is a connecting pattern X, and again one more ABC is got over. After that W, this is a very simple like this A, B, C. So if it is A, B, C means X, A, but that B I am not sure about this here, because this is an impulsive wave to the downside, aggressive impulsive, and this is also an aggressive impulsive wave. So I'm not able to force this chart. I have explained that also. This is a 5-way structure, and this is also a 5-way structure. So that is why I have a little bit confused here. So let's see whether there isn't anyway. The structure has to complete and it has to break this. And if it triggered means, if it, as per my view, if it is comes like this, I will exit my position what I have bought, and one more buying position is there at 108.6 that still I'm holding. So let's see how it moves in this week. So let's move on to USD CHF. USD CHF is not moving, and it is also same thing like a DXY and USD CAD. It's gave a deeper pullback, and let's see, this is also looking like ABCA. So ABCB, and C has to reach here. So what I thought here is maybe a, see here also I have a little bit confused here. So I have again analyzed this. This could be an either this thing, whether this could be a W and this could be an triangle, and we are in the end of the trend, or whether this is a W and this 3-way structure is also a W as per my previous analysis. So this is not X means that will be in B wave triangle. So A, B and C is completed in the diagonal pattern. So that means it's a WX, again WXY, like that it finished. So this could be a end of X also. This for this W, this is a X. So again ABCA, ABCB and C can come to this zone 95. So if it is that means this W and this is the X, and again one more A, B, C is also possible. But this is also a little bit valid count. What this is my previous analysis, and I changed this. It could be like this also W, X, A, B, C, because as per this exactly it is in 1272. So there is a chances for the irregular flat also, and if it is just like this for the W and this is the X, one more ABC is possible to the downside, and I have already placed at 88850. sorry 8850. So whether let's see how it behaves like here. But I am already having the positions in one buy and one more buy. In that I already placed a buy limit at 0.8850. So let's move. So in watch list we finished DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, UCAD, UJ finished, UCHF. Now we want to move on to that AJ. See, perfectly it reached there. And I said last week itself I exited at 80 pips profit, and I don't want to look more anything, and I will concentrate only in that major pairs. And these are all the only for the analysis I am doing here. Exactly it reached the same. The in between is an irregular flat of B and we on that C. That's it. It's a very simple. See, analyzing it's very simple, but if we enter in the trade, our mind will work entirely differently opposite to your analysis. So this is my previous analysis. I will show you here itself. I have posted. Yes. See, what I expected is it has to reach this zone, right? So this is A is completed. So again one more A. After that B and C. So I am expecting here as a regular flat. But what happened here? It's a irregular flat. It again there is one more spike to the high, and again one more down. So this is a this is a B, and there is a C. So A, B, and now we are on the C wave. See, in any wave, my position is for the shorter term is bullish. It's already reached. Now again, see what I said is these channels are only for that support. Sometimes it will accept it and it will get rejected, and sometimes it won't. So mind that, don't. I just placed on channel only for that analyzing. It may get rejected, but may or may not. And one thing I will explain here in the live chart. The price action from this end, this top, and this is the low. There is a lot of time consumption here to reach that zone. Nearly, sorry, this is the wrong tool I have selected. Yeah, the consumption zone nearly took 364 bars, so 4 hours. So it took nearly 86 days. And the same, because this is in correction only. Mind that this is a correction. So same thing, at least in this, it has to be here. Only that off portion is ended. Only that 175 bars. So what I'm expecting, and I explain here, is it won't come immediately as per my analysis. It may or may not. But if you are trading, I won't trade now because I'm just very busy in my major pairs to manage that, and I need to keep on adding an Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and the major pairs. So I won't concentrate it here. I just took it for the one this thing because in that time there is no opportunity. That is why I have added my position here. But right now it is coming according to my way, so I need to concentrate on those things. So I will just only for the analysis. What I am expecting here is it may be again the three-way structure. After that it can be like this also. Again one more three-way structure to here. So from here to here it's 175 bars, and here to here it will took another 85 to 100 bars. For example, I will show here. It took 75 bars. So from here to here So I just erase this. See, from here to here it's ABC, right? For simply this is ABC and another it's a connecting wave ABC, right? I will show you here. It's a B C and another A B C. So this is in two part. So this is the connecting wave. For example, I am explaining. So as per this is the containing of two correction part. So right now this is ended, only that simple correction is ended here. Yeah. So from here this high to this low it's 107 bars. So again what we have to do is, for example, from here to here another 175 bars. So total around 265 to 85 bars. So from here there is a chances for making a low. So that means it may or may not. See, these are all assumption only. It's not compulsory it has to happen like this. I will analyze this like this only. And just explaining here, see the left of the chart, the price action here, and I already show you here how many times I shorted and then again I booked. I shorted and booked and nearly 150 pips I got here in this zone only. So like that, these kind of price action has to happen here. So I expected, see, one ABC is got over. So another ABC is A, ABC is a B, and one more ABC has to happen to reach this 77.7, sorry, 77.6 or 5. After that only it will be a little bit aggressive of again, maybe a bigger three ways also, or it could again reach this zone. So I am expecting it will took another 175 bars here, from here to here. So total here also 365. It's more or less, it's nearly 75% of the time taken here because of that pressure. This is, see, these are all overlapping because of there is no buying pressure here. This is because of this selling pressure. So from here itself there will be a little bit 75% of the time consumption. If you took it as an approximately, it will reach here. So this W is a B C as a W. So X will be a continuation, connecting wave could be a little bit, see how it is done here. This W and this is the X. So this much time consumption may be from here to here. For example, from here to here it is a little bit easy, and here to here it took more time consumption. Like that, from this zone to this zone, here it already finished. So this zone here it will took more time. After that only it will come down to that what I am expecting. Okay, so let's wait for this and then again for this zone. So if it is, I am free and keep on watching this, I will keep updated. No issues on that, no worries on that. If it is something promisable, I can enter also in the small lot sizes. So let's move on to CAD JPY. So CAD JPY also I exited my position. What I bought at here, that 80 point I had entered, and it came down in the same thing, and I exited my position here itself because it looks like something A, B, C is A, B and C. I thought like that, so I exited my position after the 5 is completed in a break even, not in loss. I forgot about that my entry. I have told that also. I think A, B, C. Yeah, I think something again 80.30 I have entered, I think so. And I entered and that same thing AJ, how I entered like that. In CGI also I entered in buy, and again I booked my profit here itself perfectly. I will show you here how I love the Elliott waves, why I'm just keep on in the depth in Elliott waves. See, simply 1 2 3 4 5 is a 5-way structure here. After that there is no 5-way structure. You just to listen to this A B C A B C A B C, all three-way structure, and here it already broken the high. So this becomes now irregular flat. ABCA, ABCB, ABCC. So this is the W. So this is the X. Again A, B and C in the zigzag pattern. So this is the A, this is the B and C. C is completed. So I exited my position here itself. There is a chances, see, one A, B, C is completed means again there is a lot of pressure for that downside itself. But it took it as an irregular flat again. This is a connecting wave, and again it did one more impulsive wave, again three-way structure and one more impulsive wave. So what it is doing here is, yeah, expanding diagonal here. It's an ending diagonal 1 2 3 4 and 5. For example, the C wave got a 5-way structure. So A, B, C is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and we are still in the 5th wave. See, here it's 1. Expanding ending diagonal means that wave 1 is bigger than the wave 3, and wave 3 also, sorry, wave 5 also, it has to be bigger than wave 5. It's already did. So now there is a chances to any time it has to come down to the, as per my analysis, it is in downtrend. For that I have already did a short, and I will show you that. In previous analysis, I think in the past before the 2 streams, I was in bullish from here itself. I explained that itself. This is in W, X, ABC is already over. So this is the W and this is the X. So I am very eager and tempted to enter in this pair, and there is a lot of chances to make an 84 or 285 levels. That is my target. But one thing I have observed here, the price action is an impulsive, and this is all looking like a correction. That is why I didn't enter, and sometimes it looks like if it is a W, this is a X, 1 2 3 4 5, how I calculated here, this looks like a, okay, if it is a W, X means this is a A, so there is a chances for the B. So this could be a B wave also. So if it is a C wave, this is not looking like a C wave price action here. So maybe it could be a diagonal also. I'm not saying no. This could be, if it is a diagonal means this is a B, C as a 1. So this is A, B, C as a 2. A, B, C is a W, and X, A, B, C as a 3, and it will keep going on to complete my target of 84 to 85 also. I am not saying no, but according to that everything we can't, because this price action is looking like a correction part. That is why I shorted, and I have already shared my view on CAD JPY. It has to reach see that X wave, the 80 20 30 like that, 80 point. So here I have yeah, this is my target is 84 in the but reach it but delay. Once the X wave completed at 77 approximately it will do. So I'm expecting this zone. So after this one, this is a W, so we are on the X wave, just click the play button, it reached there. Now I am expecting A, B, C to has to reach this zone. So that is why I have already shorted this one in small lot sizes. and I place the stop loss here because this is a I took it as a WX. So again there is no one more no not allowed to above this XY, so that I placed at 81.6 as a stop loss. I entered at 80.1, so that means 150 pips as a stop, 300 pips as a target. So this is 1:2 risk reward. So I entered in a small quantity, it's not a big quantity, so it's a small lot size. I have placed that at 77 as my target. So let's see how it move. So next we will move on to that New Zealand CAD. So that is also what I will show you that my previous analysis for that daily chart. See, this is the W and the X is an expanded flat. See, beyond the downtrend. So ABC is one correction is ended. So another ABC ended in a running flat. So this is the connecting wave. After the connecting wave, ABC is got completed. So if it is in connecting wave, so this ABCA, so ABCB and ABC is completed means it has to not to break this low, it has to be like this only, but it already broke that low. So that means it is an irregular flat and still we are in the downtrend. So it is looking like an irregular flat, expanded flat. So this is an end of that. Here it did a running flat, this connecting wave, and this connecting wave is an expanded flat. Now I am expecting a B, C to the downside. So whether that could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A and B and C like that, or it could be in WXY also. How that USD chef it is coming down, right? I will show you that once again, the USD chef. Sorry, it's a little bit lagging. Yeah, from here it is in W and this is the X, or it could be W or X also. It's keep on coming in the three-way structure. See, this is a WX over and X is over A, B, C, and again A, B, C, and again C. So this is an looking like a all three ways. It's a W. So this is the diagonal way I am looking for that. So like this kind of price action can be at New Zealand CAD. Here. So I placed it as a 5-way structure as a A. So right now, if it is an A, B, C, see this could be an A or 1. Okay, because W, X means A contains of 5-way structure. So if it is an A means this could be a 1 also. And here it's a 2. So 3 is a bigger 3 and 4. But for me it's looking like a A. So I'm looking for the B, whether this could be end of the B also, but I'm not satisfied in this price action here, the structure. And it could be an expanded flat also. That is why I have expected here this zone. See, that is why I'm explaining. If you are watching my analysis, don't blindly, if you don't know anything, expecting this way it has to reach, you don't buy here. Because if it comes here, we have to short. We are expecting. We are not losing anything. If it didn't came means I'm not losing anything. If you took the trade expecting for this as a target, you will get out from the trade. Unnecessarily you are out of the trade. No need to do like that. So how what I'm expecting here, just you can guess if you are an Elliott wave trader. This is a or 1. So if it is an A, B, C is a B means this is the end of the 2. But this is not looking like a 3-way structure. And we can't make it as a 1, 2 and again 1, 2, 1, 2 means we can. I'm not doing like that. So simply what I'm expecting here is A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, and again I'm looking at triangle here. I think that price action is going to happen here. It's simply I will just delete this because it got invalid now. All those things I will delete. Here is ABC is a simple three-way structure. So this is also a three-way structure. So I will just keep delete all those things. So if it is a B, it has to be in very aggressive for the third wave, but it's not happening like this because of that cat strength again here. And what happens now, it's all New Zealand also going against the dollar to the bull side, and everything it is in consolidation zone, the price action. So now I am looking this as a triangle, I think so. So this would be A, B, C, D and E. So this becomes a B, and then C wave may be aggressive for the five-way structure. So again, if it is goes above the high, means that is also valid for the B wave. ABC A, ABC B. So C can be a flat also if it breaks above this high only, not to break this high. That is my strict stop loss is 9020. I have already placed a one sell order at 8950 and placing the 70 pips as a stop loss for the target to break this one. So nearly 900 pips. So let's see whether it is a triangle or if it is in regular flat. ABC A, ABC B, and here it has to be C. But sometimes it may be like this also, and it will break this high, this low, and again bounce also. Again bounce for an irregular flat, and then again downside. So this B becomes here. So what I'm expecting, it's a regular flat or irregular flat or be a triangle. So that is only the three corrections is there, but we have to watch which is validating here. No need to enter blindly. If you have to enter, you can enter and place a stop loss at 9020. Don't look the chart again. If it hit the stop, that's it. And place a target to below this 8000. If you no need to perfect entry. Simple. It's nearly 250 pips stop loss if you are entered here also, and the target is 900 pips. What else you need? If you entered here means around 750. So 1:3, 250 pips stop loss, and here is a 750. What else you need? If it is a one standard stock, it's around $7,500. But if it hit $2,500, so like this only we have to trade. First of all, we have to be think what are the characters of the B. So B can be an irregular or triangle. That's it, simple. But analyzing, it's very simple. Applying in the real chart is very tough. That will become only from the screen time, and if you are a full-time trader, you can catch the pattern. It will take time. You have to give a time to all. How you have analyzing the pair nearly for the 1 hour or the one chart. At least you have to give here for the certain time period. So it is not easy as much what I am analyzing here. It is not easy, and it is tough for me also to enter. See, if it get invalid, I will struggle, right? How I struggled in that AJ and CJ in previous. Taking the buy, and then again it went again nearly 200 pips to the downside, and again it came to the 100 pips, and I averaged that and I exited it in one 80 pips profit, and one is in break even in the CJ. So like that, that is why I'm not promote any for the newcomers. Don't follow me because I won't place any stop loss. The one secret here is, I will tell you, for the Elliott wave traders, if it is get invalid, see if it hit the stop loss, see for what kind of pattern, if it is a triangle, or we are keeping the stop loss in that A wave or B wave, if it is a triangle, for the bearish triangle or bullish triangle. But if it hit the stop loss means what is the triangle is invalid, but any other pattern can occur, right? So we have to find what kind of pattern is doing. Unnecessarily we need to place a stop loss. See, for me, I'm explaining, and why I'm not trading with the stop loss. Just I'm explaining, but I'm not suggest without stop loss for the newcomers, for anybody, because I'm having a capable to manage the losing position. But somebody didn't have the account size also, right? If it is you are making a 0.01 for the $500 also, in GU I can without making stop loss, if it is 1,000 pips, if it goes down also, it will get 100 pips, $100 in your account. That will be around a 20% drawdown for the 500, and you will get panic. But that experience what you have got from the previous, so if you know the destination, you will be very patient. If you're not knowing any destination, you will be enter and then exit immediately within the $10 to $15 if you got the profit. Don't do like that. All the traders will wait to hit the stop loss, but not to hit the TP. Me too also, because it's according to my wave formation. I keep going on. All humans only. I'm not saying no, all get emotions. So try to manage your emotions. One second. What I am explaining is very easy, but if you enter in the trade according to the real time frame or real chart, that is very tough. Okay, so next we will move on to, I think, US 30. Yes. US 30. See, US 30 also, my positional view is the third wave is ended here. So whether this corona drop is the fourth wave, or still we are in the fourth wave, that is the question mark here. If it is the end of the fourth wave, we need to be in the 5-wave structure to complete that 5 waves. But this is not looking like a 5-wave structure, what it is happening here. So it could be a, what is the next is ending diagonal or diagonal triangle. So this is the weekly chart. So 1, 2. So this third wave I took it as a diagonal triangle. So ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2. The same thing happened in that Nifty also in the shorter time frame, from that 7,500 to whatever it is, 11,800. My target got hit in the Nifty. So ABC1, ABC2, so here ABC is a W, X, and ABC is the end of the third wave, ABC is a fourth, and here is a ABC as a 5 is completed here. So that is the end of the third wave. Or this is the fourth wave, means we are in the fifth wave. So fifth wave may be an ending diagonal triangle also, or ending diagonal also. Or if it is still that fourth wave is ahead, means either it could be an irregular flat or regular flat, or it could be a triangle. So 3 structures I am expecting here. So what I am finding here is, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the A is ended and B got ended. So we are on the C wave. Because why I took it as a B, C means, if whether it is an irregular flat, means it can go above this high also and then again fall for the irregular flat. So that is also possible. Or it don't want to break this high, it has to fall from here to break again one more low if it is a regular flat. If the fourth wave is still alive, mind that this thing is the monthly chart. So I took it as a 1 here, but it is an uncompleted. It's already go below this, but I have saw in that S&P 500 also the same pattern. That is why I took it as a 1. I think I don't have enough data. It is started from here itself, I think so. It's not in that from here. That is why I have kept this as a 1 and this as a 2. So here is a 300 and a fourth here, or still we are in the fourth wave. So for example, if we kept this as a second wave, this is the third wave, means exactly we did the 50%, but fourth wave is to be in around the 38.2 retracement, but it did means lot of times I have explained that if it is a drop in a single drop, it could be in a triangle of the fourth wave also. There is a lot of chances to making a triangle in the fourth wave. So if it is a triangle also, it don't want to break this high. In B wave it can do. Otherwise, if it is a A, means B can do above the, or may or may not. So as per here, A, B, C means it don't want to break this high. It's already did, means again one more way is possible to the upper side is possible, or it could be A means B here and then again C. So lot of possibilities and probabilities is going here, and for this in that what it should be in 1 hour or 4 hour. Here my first target was 26. I already did that 26,450, and it's already almost 26,550 did, and again bounced. So bounced also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended. After that a three-way structure, here also three-way structure and the C. So this is a A and B and C. So whether this is the end of the C wave making it as a W, or this is a ABC is a A, and again ABC is a B, and C can go above the high also. But here I took it as an A, means it could be a W also. Mind that this could be W also, this could be X also. So in that case, if it is a X, means there is a possible for A, B, C. So it could be a 1 also in that. If it is a C, means it could be a diagonal triangle also. Or if it is an A, B, C, means it could be a W also. So in that case we have to make it as a W and here as a X, and this is a WX, because sometimes that Y wave contains of ABC, but that will contains also, and that if it is a 3 ways, that could be in WXY also. So that is why I have marked here. So maybe again 3-way pullback, and again it can be a shoot for that upper side also. So whether it is still ended here, or it could go like this, again one more high, and then possible 3-way. See, 3-way pullback I am expecting right now. That's it. Simple for this week. And again I am expecting a bullish, but if this is then A or W and this could be a X, means it has to be in, I'll show you in 4 hours. It is a bullish, but I took it this as a W, this as a X. If it didn't broken, means this high, still we are on the downtrend only. Mind that if I placed it as a W or X, so ABC means whether this could be end of that trend. That is why I have looking for the bullish. But that still Y wave is not yet ended, and it can do sometimes at 1.272 for the target of Y wave, means here 1272 nearly, again 25, yeah, 25,275 is also possible. So again what it will do, again it will be a bigger correction also. So right now I'm looking gold and silver as a bearish. That is why I'm looking at this as a bullish correlation to that. But I may wrong also. If it is gold and silver is got bullish means stocks may be a bearish. So mind that we can calculate or we can label after that price action anything, but the prediction before that possibilities, we have to be in safer side to save your capital. Still there is a chances for that. If it breaks the high only, it will be bullish. If not, there is a still chances to make a one more low to the 25,200. Mind that it's making a three-way structure. Now one more ABC is over. Again one more ABC is also over. So one more ABC means it can make a triangle also. So the whole thing becomes A, B, C, D, E, and then again fall also. Lot of possibilities is there here. It's all according to the price action. It has to be labeled. So you need to be very careful. It's look like a chess game. We know the coins. I have already lot of time I'm explaining the same example, because you need to understand. We need to keep on changing. Don't stick to your count. Look for the possibilities. If we place this as a W and this as a X and still Y is also possible, don't look and don't stick to your counts. So let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin same, it's a triangle is breakout here. As I said, I am looking only for the bearish till if it breaks the high 12,500. After that only it will bullish. So this kind of price action has to happen here. So it is doing the same thing. I'm not concentrating in this Bitcoin, that is why just doing analyzing here. So what will be the next means here it's a B, C, D, E is got over completed. So A, W, it's a X is over. So we are in that A, I think 1, 2, 3. So it will keep going on means. So nearly it will be A, B and C to the possible upside. Or if it is an A, this is a B means according to that AB is equal to CD pattern. If it is a A and this is the B means at 11,600 exactly here it may rejected. So again it will be around a three-way structure also. See, this kind of price action has to happen. What happened in the left of your chart. So whether it could be a triangle also. Once it's completed, so this becomes a A. So B, C, D and E also. So this is the A means A, B, C, D, E and then again fall also, like this kind of price action here. Or if it is a irregular flat, it can fall from here itself. ABC is a. This is my previous analysis, so don't look for this. So whether I took it as this as in previously I told, this could be labeled as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So if it is looking at this because I'm not updating this chart, because I'm not looking for this also, that is why I'm not updating here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means here the 5-way structure is got completed, and then I said this could be a irregular flat. This could be an irregular flat on the end of the C wave also. If it is an A, this is a B and C, or if it is a W and this is a X means again one more Y to the break this 4,000 level. So that is my bias. So if it is a new trend of 5-way structure means again 3-way structure has to be again 50% retracement. So that is why I'm just keep watching this, not doing anything. So I think let's move on to this is an ABC is got over. So let's see on that how it will move. But it don't want to break this high. If it is a bullish only, it has to break. So right now 1, 2 ABC is over simple. So again one more ABC is happening. So if it is a flat means it has to retest around a 12,000 also for the 80% or 90%, and then again fall for that C wave to this zone as around the 8,000 zone. So like this. So let's move on to the gold exactly what I am expected it's doing, and yesterday I shorted, and then again what I did is, and I exit my position in the break even, because I have already having the position in silver, so I don't want to again and again to risk my capital or to manage more things. And here I need to explain the lot of things you have to learn. See, this is an A, B, C. Previous I took it as a A also, or W also. Just now I took it as a W. This acts as X. A is completed and we are on the B. So this BB also exactly perfectly the channel was perfectly taking the resistance and support as a median line, and this is the one of that down of that lower trend line, and this is the upper trend line. So if it is we making this as a W and this is the X, means the 5S structure is A is got over and we are on the B wave. Or else if it is another bigger correction, means this could be an A, B, C is over. So it's also all three ways only. A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, C is got over. So again one more 3-way structure. That is why I have already shorted, and again what I think is the same. I also got little fear, right? Because I'm already having and I'm just already placed all the things in AU, NU, EU, and CJ I'm having the position, and in silver I'm having the positions. So UCAD, UJ, so unnecessarily I don't need to enter in the gold also. So that is why, but the profit is a little, and I don't want to keep holding the positions, the gold in the weekend. In short, if it is silver I can manage, but in gold means it's a little bit tough to carry the positions holding in the weekend, especially in the gold and this thing crude. So that is why a little bit feared, and then as per my analysis I exactly did the same. I have already did that. One second, just we have a look. It's taking too much time. Just a second. See, there is a chances, and what I did is the previous, this is the channel. So what I thought is this could be an A or 1 and B or 2, but I'm not satisfied now, and the price action also went high now. So just click the play button. I think it's taking time. Yeah, so it's already exactly what I expected here, it did here. So now this is the same plan, is whether this could be an A or 1, it's a W or A, X or B. So A or 1, this is a B or 2. So from here it has to be for that C or a W. So here exactly in the 4-hour, I'll just close this one. Here is a little bit confusion to labeling. So A, B, C is at A, B or C, but this is not looking like for me as a 5S structure. That is why I have marked this as a W in the mind, but I didn't label here X, A, B, C. So this, if it is a W, this whole thing becomes, for me I just kept it as an X. So here it's a B is in running flat, C is got over. This is a 5-way structure. We'll just move on to the 1 hour time frame. Here is a 5-way structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th way got extended. Maybe 1, 2, 3, and we are in the 4th way or 5th way. So it's looking like an impulsive, but this is a B or C. If we keep it this as a B, C as a, and B means C got a 5-way structure. But here it's a little bit confusion and it's very tough to labeling here the price action. These are all that Trump got that positive, that was it's already it done in 1916 that zone, but here it is a perfect 5-way, and I have explained that also. I shorted here and then I exited at 1900 itself when this watching this as a bullish candle. I did at 1910, and it went to 1880 also on that 1887. But even though if it is looking like a 5-way structure, I thought it could be an end of the trend and then again it may go down also. But this got a little bit price action according to that fundamental newses. So now I look at this as an A, B, C or W or X. This is a B or C. So this is a 5-way structure. This is also a 5-way structure here. So A, B, C means again it is a W, again X. So A, B and C. But if we placed this as an X means it don't want to break this X. So now that is get invalid now. That is why I am not able to count here. So my count is either this could be end of here means this is a 3-way structure. That's it, simple. So one 3-way structure is got over, and I'm looking only for the downtrend, and just I will hide my labelings. I'll show you in the daily. It's a very big bullish candle, right? So this could be an attractive to the buyers here. But the daily anchor here, it's at 1975. The daily anchor, it has to break and it has to close above this, then only the trend change is as per the Dow theory. Still the 1975 is a stop loss. It is going to the 1760, that is also a possible. This is an W, this is a perfect triangle of X. I took it this as a, and we are on the B wave and C wave to the downside for I am expecting for that 1760, the previous support zone. Either if I am getting wrong means, that is why I didn't done anything and I exited that crude, I exited this one also, because if it is a B, C and this is as a W, anyway the 3-way structure has to reach at 1880 again or 1890. Again it can go above in the 3-way structure to 1995 to 2000 also. So simply this is an A, B, C is got over, and if it's still we are in the downtrend means it don't want to break this, and it will come like this also. There is a chances for to come from here itself. So, and this is the previous support zone, exactly touched there, retested. There is a chances for making a downtrend. That previous my analysis also same thing. It may reach around 1930 also, I said in the commentary also. Whether it has to get rejected at 1905 or again 1925 to 1930, exactly it did the same. So whether it is going to a downtrend or it is making a complex correction, that we can't say, but there is a chances for to reach that 1760 from here itself. It's getting ready. So that is why I need to explain. Simple, say A, B, C got over, but this, if it is, we kept this as a W, X, A means B and C has to come downside, or either if it is an A, B, C means that C is very little, but that is accepted nowadays. It's not equal to this 78.6 also, it's not there, it's only 60, I think. Let's see, So I think 60, yeah, 61.8. so that is why I'm so confident here. So let's see, my confidence is not help to the market, right? My confidence only for the analysis, not for the making the market to move. So let's move on to that silver. Silver also same. So same W, X, A, B and C. So my target is 2500. That is my target here. So once that 5 swings is over, I'm expecting a 3 swings. So this is not 5 waves, I'm talking about that 5 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 swings. After that a 3-way structure for the connecting, so that will took more time because this is a connecting this is an correction waves and flat. This is not a zigzag, so again there is a chances for making around $28 also. If it is a still buying pressure, it's there from here to here, the connecting wave, but that will took more time than this, or it could be around same time frame. So 7th August to, if it reach here means around October, means August to October, is around 3 months, exactly the 3 months it will happen here. So October to next up to January it may be reached here in the new year. So this is my time frame, and we will look on to the 1 hour. This 1 hour is also a perfect WXY pattern. I'll show you that. See, A, B, C is a W, A, B, C as a X. Here also A, B, C. That's it, simple. A, B, C. And the portion here also, this is the high, and this is the where it get ready to fall, right? It fell from here, this one. So that is also 77 bars, and from the low it is the 70 bars. It's approximately, it is getting ready to that to reach that 20.50. So either this could be an it is a W or X, ABC. It may be a 3-way structure, or if it is in 5-way structure, this can be an also in 5-way structure. So let's see how it moves. And finally I think we have to do in US oil. So US oil also, I think this is the end of the 5th wave. ABC is got over one correction, and we are in that correction for the correction. So that will took time, and I have explained that also. And I bought here, and I have explained that in the last week also, but I exited here itself. I bought at 37.7 or 8, and I exited at 38.2 itself, because I don't want to again and again to diversify mind, because I know this is will be a very too complicated to trade, and again my mind is stick to the crude oil, because I'm in from the past itself I'm doing the crude. So that is why my mind keep on going there, and immediately what I saw, it's immediately the impulsive way. When I exited from this, I saw a immediate the bullish way. So this is a A. After that B, and it's looking like here the 5-way structure. So whether this is an A, B, C is got over, so or this could be a B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It may reach that 43.50 also, if it is a regular flat. This is a W, X, A got over, and if it is a B, if it is a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it can complete here also, and that will become a double top, and again one more wave to the downside is possible. Or either in that case, if it is the ended of this ABC and C is a very small, that is also accepted, and nowadays these kind of waves are forming, and it didn't not yet broken the previous high also. The previous high was 41.46, here is 41.44. So there is a still chances for making a triangle also, top flat and bottom is declining, that like that it can be happen. So that in that time, this is A, this is a B, C and D can come like here, and E can again retest here this zone and then fall. So there is a still chances for the triangle also, or whether this could be making an irregular flat in the B like this what I have said, and then again for the C for the regular completion of that regular flat W, X, A, P and C. So that could be around 42.25 or whatever it is. That is why I have explained that, explaining this drop, no need to sell here, because there is a chances for making a 5.8 to reach the 42.25, because it can shoot from here 41 at the time of what I have shared that view to reach 42.2 and then to the downside to break the below 36 also. So that is why I have, there is a chances expecting this. If you sell here, it could be very danger to your positions. It may get invalid also, or you may get stopped out if you are placing the stop. So only we have to watch here, no need to take any trade. Either it has to reach here, then we can take a sell, or either it can be come to here for the triangle. So if it is a triangle, just end, complete the structure and enter the trade below that D wave, making the stop loss as a E for the target of 24 to 25. That we can do, but it will take more time also. It is still, there is a lot of patterns can occur here. So I think I finished all the 16 pairs. So thanks for watching my video and sharing, commenting, and for your likes, valuable likes. So I think you can learn from me how I'm trading them with Elliott waves, and I love this Elliott waves. So thanks for watching, and have a profitable week, and keep safe your account with the stop loss for your strategy. If you know that strategy what you are using, don't follow me blindly. This is all for the educational, just I'm explaining everything how I'm trading according to the Elliott waves. So thanks a lot, have a nice week end.